Good morning, my dear class 4 students. Students, here I am, your science teacher, Mrs. Aarti Negi from your school, Vidya Bal Bhavan. Students, I hope all of you are enjoying your online classes, and I also think that you have enjoyed your previous online classes. Students, here we are moving ahead with our same science book, that is Exploring Science for class 4th. Okay, as you know that we are moving with our chapter number 3, that is Adaptation in Animals. And have you wrote down all the new terms in your notebook? Yes? Very good. Keep it up all the time. Do your work regularly according to assigned homework or classwork to do. Okay? So students, let's start our today's chapter, a very interesting chapter. I hope that you will enjoy this chapter a lot, because it is connected with a lots of types of animals that are present around us. Okay, come to the term again, that is adaptation. Already I have explained the term adaptation, that is adaptation is a process of adjustment of an animal or a plant according to its surrounding environment. In that environment, its body gets accommodated accordingly. Okay, now we are moving ahead with our today's first topic, that is terrestrial animals. That you can see here, there are too many terrestrial animals present here. Terrestrial, like in the terrestrial animals, they are the animals that live on land, just like you, me, all other human beings are living on the land are called terrestrial animals. Like you might have seen around you dog, horse, cow, buffalo, cat around you, and these all animals, they live on the land. That's why they are called terrestrial animals. Okay, I'm going on the page number 25. You might have remembered that. Okay, in page number 25, the point number 1, terrestrial animal like horse, giraffe, tiger, cow, rat, they are the examples of terrestrial animals, and they have legs to move from one place to another place for their different purposes. Okay, and they have lungs to breathe in air, like we are breathing. This process is called breathing, and we, the human beings as well as the land animals, have lungs to breathe. Okay, and they also have sense organs, like 5 sense organs we have. Okay, start repeating the name of sense organs after me. Nose, eyes, ear, skin and tongue. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 sense organs present in human beings. Same, some sense organs are present in animals too. Okay, so they have well developed sense organs and nervous system. Nervous system means ability to react according to the surrounding environment. So these sense organs help them to respond to their surrounding. Okay, if there is a surrounding favorable to them, then they will remain relaxed, calm, and if the surrounding atmosphere is not good, not favorable for them, then they will just respond accordingly. Animals that live in cold places, that's like you can see the images here. Cold places have thick fur or long hair on their skin. This fur protects them from the cold. Yak, like you can see here in the image, yak, polar bear, reindeer, they have the thick layer of fur or long hair on their bodies. And the animals that lives on the hot places. Now come to the page number 26. Hot places, they have thick skin, okay? Very hard, very thick skin. This prevents loss of water from their body. Their skin is also less hairy. Buffalo, elephant are the examples of these types of animals that live on the hot areas. And some other types of animals, or you can say like snakes and lizards, have scales on their body that prevent the skin from drying. The scales also help them to crawl. And here the scale is not this scale. It's not at all this type of scale. The scale here is described is the quality of these types of animals' body structure. Okay, so the scales, if you have seen the snake or the lizards present around you, their body is very shiny, very glossy kind of. That is because of the presence of scales on their body, and these scales help them to remain protected in such extreme situations. Okay, some animals sleep in the warm place throughout the cold winter period. This is very important. Just underline these lines. This winter sleep is called hibernation. Hibernation is present in frog, in dormouse, in lizard, house lizards, etc. kinds of animals. And during hibernation, they use up the fat stored in their body. Means there are some types of small animals present all around us. They used to sleep during the winter season to prevent the, or you can say to avoid the extreme harsh cold climates present around them. So they used to go for the hibernation process. And hibernation in general we can say it is a winter sleep. And during this time they used to sleep only. They just control their all the activities, and they doesn't eat anything. They just sleep all the time and just try to regularize or try to channelize their all energy. And during this time they use the fat that is already stored in their body. Now students, come to our next topic. Again, very interesting kinds of animals, the aquatic animals. Aquatic animals, already I have told you the term aquatic. Aquatic means living in water. Means the animals that live inside the water are called aquatic animals, like fishes, dolphin, whale, seahorse. These are the examples of aquatic animals. Page number 26. Aquatic animals. Fishes, whales and some snakes live in water. They are called aquatic animals. Some animals like snail, crab, salmon live in fresh water, and sharks live in ocean. Aquatic animals have limbs, like you can see here in this image. Limbs that are suitable for swimming. Okay, for swimming they have limbs. Fish have fins. Turtle have paddle-like legs, like you can see here in this image also. Paddle-like legs that help them to push water back as they swim. Means they used to swim with the help of its paddle-like legs, and just they used to put water backside with the help of these paddle-like legs. Fish also have gills to breathe inside the water. As we the human beings, the terrestrial animals have lungs to breathe, same the water animals like fishes have gills for the breathing purpose. Okay, so these are our today's topic. Now come to the very interesting yellow box that is present in your page number 26. Here you can see a rectangular, very interesting yellow colored box. Let's get reading about this box. Page number 26. The camel is called sheep of the desert. That you already know. Camel is called sheep of the desert. It has a thick skin because it used to live in a very hot, very dry and hot climate. So it have a very dry skin, and that is also very thick. It cannot live without water for 10 to 12 days. Okay, can you imagine about yourself to live without drinking even a sip of water for 10 to 12 days? No, it's not possible for you. But yes, it is possible for camel to live without a single drop of water for 10 to 12 days. It can drink as much 50 liters of water at a time. Okay, the camel's eyelashes are very long. They prevent sand and dust to getting into its eyes, as its eyelashes are very long. Unlike a person, a camel can close its nostrils whenever it wants. That is why even sandstorms doesn't bother it. Means it has a capability to close its nostrils by its own. As we cannot close our nostrils without touching our fingers or any other thing, we cannot close it by our own instead of using fingers or any other things. But yes, camel can do it. The hump of the camel store fat, which can use when it cannot find any food to eat. Heat that builds up in the camel's body escapes from the hump, as it is a very interesting feature present in its body. The camel has broad pads on the bottom of its feet that prevent from sinking into the soft desert. If you have ever gone to the desert kind of area, if you put your legs onto the sand, you will start sinking inside the sand. But due to the presence of pads under its feet, it doesn't sink inside the sand. Okay, students, so these were our today's topic. Now it's your homework to revise all the topics that I have taught to you today and try to remember important things, important terms, important definitions from this chapter. So that's it for today, students. Thank you. Be at your home, be safe, and keep learning all the time.